3.2 inspection. 3.2.1 inspection of equipment. 3.2.11 respirators. Users shall inspect that their respirators in strict accordance with the instructions provided by the manufacturer. 3.2.12 the air hose of the breathing air supply the airline the respirator is used and ensure that there are no breaks in the outside covering conditions of the gasket is good, the conditions are tight, and that there are no restrictions in the hoses. The safety harnesses and lifelines and ensure that there is no frayed, weak material condition of the harness is good. Briefing air supply and sources ensure that good working condition and location of the vapor-free compliance with this, Title 29 Code Federal Regulations 1910-134, the breathing air quality of the frequency air analysis presence and safety devices backup the air supplies and sources. 3215. The monitoring equipment calibrated each day before the combustible gas indicators, oxygen meter, the HGS indicator, lead and air analyzer. 3216. The other equipment that ensure the proper grounding and the bonding of the explosive-proof motors, explosive-proof lighting, and personnel inspection. 3221. Clothing. Personnel proper attire demonstrated the hazards involved in checking the clothing in the good condition, wearing freshly laundered clothing in the beginning of the job and starting at the end of the workday, starting at each workday thereafter. The boots and gloves are approved by the type of the day in good condition. The 3222 breathing air supply. The airline respirators used ensure the air is supplied to the face piece at a rate of 2 to 7 liters of the forward by CFM. This self-contained breathing apparatus ensuring that sufficient numbers of the full replacement cylinders are available the last duration of the job. 3223 harness and lifeline. Harness and lifeline shall be given in the good condition and proper attached. 3224 gum and tobacco chewing. Ensuring gum and tobacco chewing is prohibited. 3225 physical defectives and injuries. Show that the people have no physical defects, injuries that may prevent them from wearing respirators, which may cause them difficulty to know. No beard, sideburns, large mustache shall be allowed, and the people must wear respirators. All alcoholic beverages and drugs. Ensure the people entering the tank are not under the influence of alcoholic beverages or drugs. 3227 counseling the reproductive hazard. Ensure that all employees counsel about the full understanding of reproductive hazard related to the contaminated areas and leaded gasoline chemical contained tank sensing and the serious affected organic compounds or other chemical contaminants. Hazard areas. Check hazards as defined in paragraph entered in entitled Survey Hazard Areas. 3.3 Table of tank history.